Comparing and contrasting findings in literature reviews. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive deep into an essential skill in academic writing, especially in literature reviews: comparing and contrasting findings. This method helps in understanding multiple perspectives on a topic, evaluating the research landscape, and formulating your insights. So, let's get started. Comparing and contrasting is about identifying similarities and differences between various pieces of literature. When you compare, you look for similarities. When you contrast, you highlight differences. For example, if two studies examine the effects of caffeine on sleep, one might say it significantly disrupts sleep, while the other says it has minimal effects. In a literature review, you'd both compare their methodologies and contrast their findings. Understanding how and why studies agree or disagree helps in several ways. 1. Critical thinking. It enhances your ability to critically analyze texts and understand the broader implications. 2. Gaps in research. By contrasting, you might identify areas that haven't been explored yet. 3. Formulating arguments. Knowing different viewpoints allows you to make informed arguments in your paper. Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Identify your sources. Before anything, list out the research papers or texts you want to compare. 2. Create a table or chart. This helps in visual organization. For each source, jot down key findings, methodologies, sample sizes, outcomes, etc. 3. Look for patterns. Are there consistent similarities or differences? Do certain findings repeat across papers? 4. Discuss the differences. Highlight where researchers disagree and speculate why. It could be due to different methodologies, biases, or sample groups. 5. Acknowledge the similarities. Which findings are universally accepted? When comparing and contrasting, avoid these mistakes. 1. Being biased. It's easy to favor one study over another, but strive for neutrality. 2. Overlooking context. Maybe one study was done in a different cultural or temporal context. This can greatly affect findings. 3. Ignoring methodology. Two studies might have different findings because one had a larger sample size or used a different methodology. Comparing and contrasting findings in literature reviews is a dynamic way to understand the breadth and depth of research on a topic. It aids in your analytical skills and makes your paper richer. We hope this video clarified the concept and its significance. Happy writing, and see you in the next lesson.